At Outaouais Tourism, we believe everyone considering our region for their next business event deserves to have the best experience possible. So that's why today, we're proud to announce the creation of our new AI business events platform, TRACY. TRACY can help facilitate the planning of your next business event in the Outaouais region. All you need to do is say, "Hey Tracy."
Hi, how can I help you today?
By analyzing your event's needs in detail, TRACY can provide clear and helpful venue recommendations.
Hey Yasmina, for your size of group, I would recommend the Hilton Lac Lémy. The venue is located in Gatineau and is about 20 to 30 minutes from the Ottawa train station and airport. If you're looking for a unique and more nature-focused setting, I would recommend Fairmont Le Château Montebello, the world's largest log cabin.
In addition, TRACY can also help you plan a team retreat with the perfect team-building activities for your group's interests.
So Michael, I've made you a video playlist showcasing all the venues that could host your team retreat. Whether you're looking for a nature setting or something more luxurious, let me know what you're thinking, and I can help you get proposals.
TRACY is also incredibly fast at pulling relevant and detailed information that you need about your chosen venue.
Hey Catherine, looks like you're looking up information about your host venue, the Palais des Congrès de Gatineau. Next to it is the 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel, where your guests will be staying. For an off-site banquet event, I recommend the iconic Canadian Museum of History, which is also right next door from the hotel.
And that's just some of the many ways TRACY can help you plan your next unforgettable business event in the Outaouais region. At launch, TRACY will be available in both the English and French languages. We're so excited for you to meet her.
Hey Tracy, what's the best and most fun destination to host a business event?
Without a doubt, it would be the Outaouais, Tracy. Plus, they've got one of the best business events representatives.
Thanks, Tracy. You always have the right answers.